those of you wondering, single turbo F80. Starts like stock, no check engine light. Come over here, go to read trouble codes, 0 diagnostic codes found. No codes. Just to show you guys. There's lots of things unplugged. Down there you have wastegates unplugged. We have the map wires are just tucked away. Nothing's sealed up yet. Just gonna park and go over a few things. No, lots of things unplugged, no codes. Runs normal. That's just for everyone that was probably thinking there's no way to make this work. With the wastegates unplugged, the